Channel 3 early morning weather with meteorologist Melissa Cole.
It's very tempting. It is very tempting. Hi there, everybody. We are, of course, having a lot to talk about with Hurricane Florence, but for us, today is relatively quiet, just very cloudy. So let's take a look at live early morning pinpoint Doppler, scanning around, not picking up on any rain out there right now, but over the next few hours, we may see a couple of showers pop up. But they'll be pretty isolated in nature, so certainly not a repeat of yesterday where many roads were just covered in water because the water came down to, kind of quickly and stayed with us for several hours. So we're not going to be seeing that today, so that's some good news. We have seen a couple holes in the clouds here in the New London area, also in extreme northwest Connecticut, but everybody else is really socked in with clouds. And here's the scene from our iCam in Hartford, a very gray, kind of dismal day out there. Temperatures are in the 60s and 70s. Right now in the Hartford area, we have 69 degrees. We've got 70 in Meriden, 76 in Groton, where we are seeing a few breaks of sunshine, 75 in Norwich right now, 73 in Salisbury. We're also seeing a little bit of sun. Meanwhile, 67 in Torrington and 71 right now in Danbury. Dew point temperatures, they're up there a little bit, mid-upper 60s. So again, feels a little bit sticky, a little bit uncomfortable. And eventually we're going to see the dew points drop a little bit during the weekend. So that will be nice. They'll drop just a few degrees. All right, satellite and radar over the past 6 hours. You can see here that we've got not a lot going on, but there's some of that very heavy rainfall that moved across the state yesterday afternoon, evening, even the overnight. Some places received 3, 4, even close to 5 inches of rainfall, but that right now is gone, moved well off to the east, and for us right now fairly dry. But again, there may be a couple showers kind of popping up as we go on through this afternoon and during the early evening, which you'll see here on Futurecast is noontime, getting up to about 5, 6 o'clock tonight. Notice there is a little bit of green on the map here, some isolated showers. Again, not everybody will see them, and a lot of places will stay dry. During the overnight, I think we'll see mostly cloudy skies, patchy fog developing, so kind of a gray start when you wake up tomorrow morning. But I think tomorrow we'll see some improvement compared to today. Clouds will break for some sunshine, so I think it will be a partly sunny day. There is some green showing up here. Slight chance of a passing shower tomorrow, but I think tomorrow will be a whole lot better than today. And then especially as we go into Saturday and Sunday, I think we'll get rid of a lot of these clouds, bring back a good deal of sunshine, and warm up the temperatures a little bit too. All right, here is Futurecast in terms of Hurricane Florence making landfall during the overnight hours tonight, early morning hours, 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning. And notice the center of the storm kind of hugs the coastline between North and South Carolina as we go on through the day tomorrow, and then meanders inland a little bit. But with this storm really kind of staying in the same spot for hours, that's what we're talking about, those flooding rains. Some places seeing feet of rainfall, so flooding will be a huge concern, as well as the winds. You can see the strongest hurricane force and tropical storm force winds extending even further out from the center of the storm. So a massive storm with a lot of impacts. And again, landfall will happen during the overnight, and we'll be watching things very closely for you. We do expect to see some of the remnant rain from Florence, although it will be weakening by that time. On Tuesday, we'll feel some of the tropical rains, it looks like at this point. All right, your highs for today, mid to upper 70s, staying with the clouds, a slight chance of a passing shower. Tonight we'll drop down into the upper 50s in northwest Connecticut, to the 60s everywhere else. Kind of muggy, mostly cloudy with some patchy fog. And then we brighten things up around here for tomorrow. That'll be some good news, 83 degrees. The weekend, Kara, is looking fantastic. Highs between 80 and 85 with a good deal of sunshine. Humidity won't be too bad. Monday, 84. Tuesday, that's when I think we'll see the remnant moisture from Florence. And then Wednesday, 84 degrees. So we've had kind of a cloudy and rainy stretch, but things are turning the corner around here for Friday and beyond.
That looks good. All righty. Thank you, Melissa.
Sure.
And new at noon, President Trump